Hi everyone, it's a great pleasure to be here with you today and to share insight about hospitality in Africa in the post-COVID era. So before we go into the topic, let me introduce myself. So my name is Guilain Denisselle. I've been working in hospitality for more than 30 years now, working in hotel operations, PMS, channel manager, CRS, and doing consulting for more than 20 years. And I've been writing articles for 20 years, launched my own web magazine called Tendance Hoteliers 11 years ago, and it's all in French. So the Hotelier Digital Future panel we've got is going to talk about several topics: digital hospitality, communication trends, artificial intelligence, and mobile app. We get into the topics. Each panelist is going to introduce himself and tell us a bit about himself, his company, and how his company is doing since the beginning of the pandemic. Harish.
Thank you, Guilain. Thank you, event organizer, for organizing such a great event and calling us here to discuss about future of hospitality industry in terms of digital and mobile. My name is Harish Chandra. I'm Chief Technology Officer of Sarovar Hotels. We have got 94 hotels in India and Africa. In India, we are present in almost every part of our state. In Africa, currently we have hotels operating in Kenya and Lusaka. We are also opening hotels in Ethiopia, Hoteliers, Tanzania. I have got 26 years of experience. I started my career as a room service captain 26 years back. Then I switched on to airlines, where I learned a lot of things about DOS commands, Fox Pro, Clipper. Those technologies have gone now. It is a time of transformation. Things are changing very fast. I worked with airlines for 4 years, and I used to make load and trim sheet of Boeing 737-200 and 400. I used to take care of commercial operations, MIS, a lot of things, which have really helped me to learn a lot of things about technology. I joined Micros Fidelio, Middle East Key Information Technology in 1998. 22 years back, I was with Oracle Hospitality. I used to travel to Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Yemen, all the countries. And I learned a lot of things about hotel operations and how technology can help, whether it's material management, PMS, yield management. That has really given me a lot of boost in my career and a lot of understanding of hospitality industry. Then I have worked with various domestic chains, international chains like Lee Meridian, Intercon Hotels, Southwest Asia Corporate Office. I have worked with Hawaii Telecom. I was the business unit head. So basically, I have seen both the sides of table in terms of business partner for hospitality and as a decision maker at a unit level or a corporate level. We try to keep things simple in Sarovar. We keep it simple and sober. We adopt principle of KISS. Basically, digital transformation is the only way we can be present in this business. This is what I can say, and I hope everyone is safe during this unprecedented time. Things are going to change. C stands for COVID. C also stands for continuity, continuous improvement, and contactless. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harish. The main topic of today is digital hospitality. We have cut discussion into several parts, and the first one is about internet penetration, what it means in terms of IT infrastructure, broadband, and things like that. What is a digital hotel?
Internet is most sought commodity in hotels after coffee now. Everyone knows about it. We have seen outdoor coverage as access point, then all these access points entering the corridor. Now we need one access point per room. Now technology is changing from 802.11b to C, now to AC, now AX is coming. We want experience like 5G. Everyone is bandwidth hungry. We are entering a world of hyper-connected devices, whether they are IP or non-IP, combination of IoT. I heard Roshan that in one of the islands, the tower was able to give the signal of Wi-Fi or mobile connections. So in India, what we are doing is we are putting IoT-based systems so that when the diesel level is down, automatically it sends message, or we monitor it from a remote location automatically. All these things are happening. It's a digitally connected world. Everyone wants to be connected. Millennials spend more than 5 hours on mobile all the time. A guest browses 21 websites before he books. He checks all the reviews. All those things are so popular now. Without internet, no one is going to stay. It's a very basic commodity. This is what I will add, though all my fellow panelists have added everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Harish. Peter brought something to the table. We are, well, it's a common trait to think that cloud-based solutions are going to replace everything. But when you are on a cruise, it's different. You have to have on-premise and cloud and everything to be connected. So what's happening in hotels? What's your position, Harish? What are you doing? Are you going to everything cloud-based, or are you keeping things on-premise, or what are you doing? What's your position on that?
Currently, it's a hybrid-based solution as of now, and cloud looks very enticing, very promising, but a lot of things need to be changed. We have hotels which are in very remote areas, hill stations where internet is not very stable. So we have to take a call based on a lot of factors. We are a mid-market chain. Proudly, we say that. We want cost of technologies to come down. As of now, very few PMSs are cloud-based which are working seamlessly. The main issue with hotel management systems are that for every department we use different software, whether it is point of sale accounts, whether it is time attendance machine, whether it is cost management, store management. There's so many softwares that we use. We are not like BFSI, healthcare, IT, ITS, where we are using one SAP program which interfaces with everything. We have to see that there is an interface with credit card, telephony, there is an interface with back office. So Wi-Fi system, gateway, security, there are multiple challenges. The cost of technology has to come down, though I feel that Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Amazon services, everything is there. But somehow I have seen that the focus on hospitality is not much by the business partners. All these solutions are made for something like IT, ITS, government education. And the cost of technology is still very expensive for hotels to adopt it. And there are very few players who have come with cloud-based solutions, and those are very expensive. But yes, I feel that the cost of internet is going down. Every remote area is now having good coverage, and with time the cost of technology will go down, and then most of the hotels will adopt it. Currently, we are using PMSs, but as of now, because so many systems are there, so many APIs are there, so many interfaces are required, we will wait for some more time to get it mature to adopt it. That's it. Thank you, Guilain.
Thank you, Harish. One of them was about communication trends and voice-enabled technological advancements. Who has implemented voice control and voice chat in his properties or cruise ships and things like that? Harish, I think you've got things to say about multicultural environment.
So, Guilain, what I will say here is we create a home away from home. We keep technology simple. We also know that we have 4 generations of guests coming in our hotel, which are baby boomers, millennials, generation M or generation Alpha. So what happens is it's a mix and match of different age groups of demographic. But the thing is, I heard that by 2025, 50% of luxury hotels room will be voice enabled. This technology is the future. In this COVID world, no one wants to touch any paper. Say if you are near a room and if you're saying that, hey, put temperature to 24 degree, and it may be in different international languages, that is good. If not 100%, at least 80% guest needs would be satisfied. If I want to order for, say, 2 shampoos, or I want soft pillow, or I want 2 beer, or 1 bottle of wine, I can complain, I can request for any service. So maybe it is not very effective today for room service orders, but for a lot of things, I have tried testing this in one of my hotel. For room service, when I say that I need a sandwich, it asks me, you want a grilled, toasted or plain sandwich? You want a vegetarian or non-vegetarian sandwich? Are you allergic? It asked me so many questions that I was not very comfortable to use it for room service. But for other things, it has got a lot of analytics value. If you have ordered a shampoo, if it is taking more than 10 minutes, it may be escalated to executive housekeeper to GM, and you can also gauge the productivity of staff. You can become more operational efficient. It will really help you to see that which all area hotels need to do a lot of innovations or improvement to reach certain level of guest experience. It's all about experience. All these technologies are maturing, and we can do a lot of things by making room voice automated, open the drapes, open the door lock, example I'm saying. So it is a future, it is upcoming technology. I see it as a futuristic upcoming technology. Guests have got some worry also once they use all this voice-based technology. The guest thinks that I'm heard. Example, I'll tell you, if you're talking about, say, some wine, or if you're talking about some jewelry, you go to your Google, you go to email, you will see a lot of advertisements of jewelry and other wines which are coming by side. So some guests have worry related to privacy. This issue also needs to be resolved up to some level before it is easily adopted by all the guests.
That's very true, yes. Well, we still have to cover the mobile application. It's important to remember how people came to the internet. In continents like Europe and the US, for example, we were used to work on PC, and we used the internet on PC before we went to mobile. In some continents, people have gone to internet on mobile directly without a PC. So it's in some part of the world, it's obvious that mobile app is the only thing people are using. You can have a web app or a mobile app, and I think it's important to explain the difference between the two.
The thing is, we use responsive websites irrespective of the platform, Android, iOS, Windows. It fixes to any screen. So that is one. Second is PWA, progressive web applications are the future. Like Abbas said, that guest wants to download only those things like Uber or their bank, NEFT transfer, online digital valets, or say Google Maps, or some emails like Gmail or XYZ. Guest, what he's doing on his mobile is he's always busy on social media. Social media analytics cloud is important. Messenger, digital transfer of money. So we have to also do something so that we create different social media advertisements along with all those things to keep guests engaged. When a guest scans a QR code, he gets hotel different details of different services. Now, how to entice him, how to become part of your loyalty program, how to push different notification, how to see where he is at the moment, what he's doing, whether he's at a bar, so can you push him up, offer that there's a 25% discount on XYZ or on food, or say if he's doing a check-in, if you can do some engagement that if you book your dinner today with your family, you get some special discount, or if you refer to one of your friends once you are checking out, we will give you some extra loyalty points. So mobile apps or your different social media or your different progressive web applications can also check the sentiments of guests and make him more closer to your chain. Stickiness can be there, and there can be some extra cross-sell, upsell opportunities for the hotels. We feel that COVID has done the disruption, but this disruption was done long back by companies like Airbnb or Tribo or Oyo hotels. These people, they never had any hotel, and they've used technology the most. Let me tell you success story of Oyo hotels. They have 50 million downloads of applications. In 3 easy click, you can book their rooms. In 5 seconds, you can book a room. It's all about 2-3 touch and everything's done. Traditional hoteliers, we never thought of employing data scientists. We never thought we will leverage on the value of artificial intelligence, social media, analytics, cloud, bar, blockchain, artificial intelligence. We never thought of all those things. And still, I feel most of the hotel chains have not taken actual steps to take their business to next level. So all these technology companies like Uber Eats, Airbnb, Oyo, they are using technologies. Oyo has got more than 500 data scientists who keep on doing study of market, customer behavior. Traditional hoteliers are very good in giving very good service to guests, but they lack in using technologies, and that's why they are not able to do a lot of things. So digitalization is the only way forward. This is what I will say.
Thank you, Harish, for your point, but you're part of a large group, and within your large groups are a lot of technology companies. So are your hotels going to use all of the technology pieces that your group owns?
We are trying to do that, but the thing is, like I said, the older hoteliers, their mindset is not so sharp as of disruption done by Oyo, Uber, Airbnb, to be very frank with you.
Thank you very much. So we only have a few seconds left. I would like to thank all of you for your time, for your insight. thank you for the organization, for having us on the roundtable, and thank you to the people who attended. I hope you've learned or listened to something interesting. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.